What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the vgk.sys error that you may be getting for either Valorant or League of Legends while you're basically trying to play the game. So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to basically fix this error is to open up a command prompt. So type in CMD into your search bar, right click into it and run as administrator. Once you've done that, basically just paste this command bcd /set space hypervisor launch type space off, and it's going to say this operation completed successfully. Once this happens, restart your computer, turn the games back on, either Valorant or League of Legends, whichever game this is happening for. You should be good to go, and you should not have this occur any longer. If this still happens, you can also uninstall Riot Client. I believe that's the client. You can just uninstall it and reinstall it as well and see if that fixes it for you. But doing what I just did over here should fix it, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys loved the video, please smash the thumb, guys on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Mo Tutorial out. Peace.